Back again with another video of chapter 4 fractions part 3. Today we'll discuss about like unlike fractions and how to convert unlike to like fractions. What are like and unlike fractions? Now you can see here the image of the like fractions and unlike fractions are shown. Now you first figure you can see here the square is divided into four equal parts. One part is shaded. So how you represent in fraction? 1/4. Now here 2 part is shaded. So how will you represent? 2/4. In all these cases, you can see the square is divided into four equal parts. And in the third case, you can see 3 part is shaded. So how you represent as fraction? 3/4. Now you can see here the denominators are all 4. They are all same. Such fractions whose denominators are same are called as like fractions. Now here in the next case, you can see a circle is shown and first circle is divided into two equal parts. So how you represent and one part is shaded. So how you represent as fraction 1/2. In the next circle, you can see it is divided into three equal parts and 2 part is shaded. So it is written as 2/3. And in the third circle, the circle is divided into four equal parts. You can see here and 3 part is shaded. So it is represented as 3/4. Now here you can see the denominators are 2, 3, 4. So all the denominators are different, right? Such fractions whose denominators are different are called as unlike fractions. So we understood that like fractions has equal denominators. For example, 2/5, 3/5, 1/5. You can see all have the common denominator 5. And unlike fractions has different denominators. That is, you can see here example 2/7, 3/5, 1/6. Remember children, like and unlike fractions are defined for more than one fractions. So it can be 2, 3, 4 and it is not defined for one fraction, right? Now changing unlike to like fraction. How to change unlike to like fractions? So this is very important. Step by step we will see how we do. Convert 3/4 and 5/6 into like fractions. So you can see here 3/4, 5/6, the denominators are different. They are unlike fractions. So you have to change it into like fractions. That means the denominator should be common. You have to make the denominator common. To make the denominator common, what are the steps? The first step, step 1 is first find the LCM of the denominators. Now if you find the LCM of 4 and 6, you will get as 12. So the LCM, you have already learned to find LCM and HCF by prime factorization, or you can just find LCM by writing the multiples of 4 and multiples of 6. So the least common multiple will be 12, right? So the LCM is 12. Now second step, then convert each fraction to its equivalent fraction with denominator equal to LCM, right? So you have to convert the fraction 3/4 and 5/6 in such a way that LCM, the denominator becomes equal to the LCM. That is, the denominator here 4 will become 12 and 6 will also become 12. Now you know that to change into equivalent fraction, if you want to change the denominator 12, whatever you do in the denominator, you have to do the same thing in the numerator. So 4 into 3, 12. So 3 into 3, 9. So the equivalent fraction for 3/4 is 9/12. Now see, let us do the second one, 5 by 6. Now 6 you have to make 12. So 6 you will multiply with what? 6 you will multiply with 2. So if you multiply the denominator with 2, so you have to multiply the numerator also with 2. So 5 into 2 by 6 into 2. So 5 2s are 10 and 6 2s are 12. So the equivalent fraction for 5 by 6 becomes 10 by 12. Now you can see this 12 here, 9 by 12 and 10 by 12 both have common denominator. The denominator is same. So you have changed 3 by 4 and 5 by 6 to equivalent, to like fractions. So 9 by 12 and 10 by 12 are. One more example, convert the unlike fraction to like fraction. Now here you have taken the three fractions. You can see there are three fractions, 4 by 5, 7 by 10 and 7 by 15. Now 5, 10, 15. So you can just write in L shape. See, you can do the LCM upside down. One by one you keep dividing. So 5, 10 and 15, you just see the common factor of all these three is 5. 5 can divide 5, 5 can divide 10, 5 can divide 15 also. So 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. So we are first taking out the step 1, that is we are taking out the LCM. Now you can see here, you can just 1, 2, 3, you can just stop here also, or if you continue till 1, 1, 1, you can continue. So this is 1, so first you divide by 2. So 1 will carry forward as it is. 2 ones are 2 and 3 is not divided by 2. So 3 is carry forward. You can just carry forward 3 as it is, right? So 3, now you divide by 3 because you have to get 1, 1, 1. So 3, 1, 1 will remain as it is. 1 will come as it is down and 3 ones are 3. So the LCM will be the product of all these numbers to the left side. So LCM is 5 into 2 into 3. So that is equal to 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. Now the step 2 is what? You have to make all these three denominators into 30. So you have to change it to equivalent fractions so that the 5, the denominators become 30. Now see, 4 into 4 divided by 5. So 5 multiplied by what is 30? 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. So you will multiply 4 also with 6 because whatever you do in the denominator, you will do the same thing in the numerator. So 5 into 6, 4 into 6, 4 6 are 24, 5 6 are 30. So the equivalent fraction of 4 by 5 is 24 by 30. Now 7 by 10. Now 10 you have to make 30, so you will multiply by 3. 7 also you will multiply by 3. So 7 into 3, 21, 10 into 3, 30. So the equivalent fraction of 7 by 10 is 21 by 30. Now 7 by 15. 7 by 15. 15 you will multiply with what to make 30? With multiply with 2. So 7 also you will multiply with 2. 7 into 2 and 15 into 2. So 7 2s are 14 by 30. Now you can see all the denominators are same. So you have changed this fraction, unlike fraction, to like fraction. And what is the like fractions? The like fractions are 3 by 24 by 30, 21 by 30 and 14 by 30. See, all the denominators are common. So this is like fraction. Okay. One more example, changing unlike to like fractions. Now here the fractions are 5 by 3 and 6 by 4. Now you have to find the LCM of the denominators 4 and 3. So the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12, right? If you find the LCM of 3 and 4, you can get 12. You can just do by multiple method or you can do by prime factorization method. So you will get the LCM as 12. Now you have to make the denominator 12. 3 you will multiply with what? 4. So 5 also you will multiply with 4. 5 fours are 20. 3 fours are 12. So 20 by 12 is the equivalent fraction of 5 by 3. Now 6 by 4. Now 4 you have to make 12. 4 you will multiply with what? 3. So 6 also you will multiply with 3. So 6 threes are 18. 4 threes are 12. So 18 by 12. Now you can see 20 by 12 and 18 by 12 both have same denominator. So you have changed this 3 5 by 3 and 6 by 4 into equivalent fraction as, sorry, into like fraction as 20 by 12 and 18 by 12. So these two are unlike. Now these are like fractions because the denominators are same. Hope you have understood, children. Thank you.